Hello, everyone, and welcome back where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. It is so good to be here with you today.
It is wonderful to see you, Paul. You look very happy today. You have a big smile.
I am very happy, Emily. I am excited. I am excited about the future.
Ooh, the future. That sounds mysterious and exciting. Why are you thinking about the future?
Well, the new year means new plans.
Yes, I love a new year. It is a fresh start, a new beginning.
Exactly. And today we have a very special episode. We want to help you make a big plan.
Yes, we are talking about how to learn English in 2026.
This is a very important topic. Many people want to learn English, but sometimes they stop.
Yes, they stop. They give up. But not this time, not in 2026.
No, this year is different. This year, you will succeed. We are here to help.
We have some strong advice for you today, some real advice.
Yes, but before we start our big plan, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, please. If you like our podcast, please click the like button. It helps us so much.
And please subscribe to Mr. English channel. Join our family. We want to see you here every week.
And share this video with your friends. Learning is better with friends.
Okay, Emily, are you ready to talk about 2026?
I am ready. So, Paul, learning English, is it easy?
That is a good question. It can be fun, but is it easy? No, not always.
I agree. I think we need to be honest. To learn English, you must work hard.
Yes, it is the truth. You cannot learn English if you only sleep.
That would be nice. Learning English while sleeping. But no, you need to study. You need dedication.
Dedication. That is a big word. What does it mean for our listeners?
It means you must make English a priority. It is important for you.
Yes, you must really want it. In 2026, you must say, I will do this.
Exactly. But Paul, studying hard, does that mean studying for 10 hours a day?
Oh my goodness, no. 10 hours is too much. You will be so tired.
You will be very tired and you will stop.
We don't want you to stop. We want you to continue. So the secret is every day.
Yes, every single day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, even Saturday and Sunday.
Contact with English every day. This is very important.
It is. Think about it. If you eat a lot of food on Sunday, but you don't eat on Monday or Tuesday, you will be hungry.
That is a funny example, Emily, but it is true. Your brain is hungry for English.
So you need to feed your brain a little bit every day.
Yes, consistency. That is the key. Maybe 30 minutes every day or 1 hour.
Even 20 minutes is good, but you cannot skip days. You cannot miss days.
So what can our listeners do in those 20 or 30 minutes?
Well, listening is number one. Listening to podcasts.
Like this one.
Yes, listen to Mr. English channel. Listen to stories. Listen to music in English.
Just let the English sounds go into your ears. It helps your brain understand the sounds.
But Paul, is listening enough? Just listening.
Listening is great, but to really learn in 2026, you need to do more.
I agree. You need to be active. You need to participate.
I have a tip, a very good tip. Talk.
Talk? But what if I am alone in my room?
Talk to yourself. I do it all the time.
I know you do, Paul, but it is a great idea. Speak out loud.
Yes, do not just think the words, say them. Use your voice.
When you hear a new word on the podcast, say it. Dedication, consistency. Say it 5 times.
Yes, shout it. I am learning English.
Maybe not too loud. Your neighbors might be surprised.
True, but speaking helps your mouth muscles. It helps your pronunciation.
And I have a tip too. I love this tip.
I think I know your tip, Emily. Is it about a notebook?
Yes, you know me so well. I love notebooks.
Emily always has a notebook. She writes everything down.
It is so helpful. In 2026, buy a nice notebook, a special one.
And what do you write in it?
Write new words. Every day, write 3 or 5 new words.
Only 5?
Yes, 5 is enough. If you learned 5 words every day in 1 year, that is...
Let me do the math. 5 times 365. Wow, that is almost 2,000 words.
Exactly. See? Small steps, but big results.
2,000 words is a lot of English. You can say almost anything with 2,000 words.
Yes, so write them down and read them again the next day.
That is great advice. So we listen, we speak, we write.
And we do it every day. That is the hard work part.
But, Emily, what if I get tired? What if I am stressed?
Ah, this is also very important. We said you need to work hard, but you are a human, not a robot.
Beep boop, I am not a robot.
No, you are not. So you need rest.
Rest is part of learning?
Yes, it is a very important part. Your brain needs sleep.
That is true. When I am tired, I cannot remember English words. I forget everything.
Me too. So in 2026, please sleep and take care of yourself.
And enjoy your life. Spend time with your family.
Yes, go out with your friends, have fun, laugh.
If you are happy, you learn better. If you are sad or stressed, learning is very hard.
Exactly. So have English time every day, but also have relaxed time.
Balance. We need balance.
Yes, hard work and good rest.
I like this plan. But Emily, I have a worry.
What is your worry, Paul?
It is easy to start in January. Everyone is excited in January. Yay, New Year!
Yes.
But what about March? What about July? What about October?
Ah, the middle of the year. That is the danger zone.
Yes, people get bored, or they get busy at work and they stop.
This is the biggest challenge. Consistency. You must not stop.
How do we keep going? When it is raining and we are tired, how do we study?
You need to remember the goal. Think about December 2026.
December 2026. Okay.
Imagine yourself. You are speaking English. You understand movies. You are talking to people from other countries.
That is a beautiful picture. I want that.
You must want it very much. You must be brave.
Brave?
Yes, learning a language is brave. You make mistakes.
Oh, mistakes. I hate mistakes.
We all do, but you must not be afraid. Do not let a mistake stop you.
So if I say a word wrong, it is okay.
It is perfect. It means you are trying. In 2026, make many mistakes.
Make many mistakes. Okay, I can do that.
And learn from them. Just don't give up. That is the rule. Never give up.
Even if you miss one day, don't stop. Just start again the next day.
Exactly. Just come back. Always come back to English.
Wow, this is a strong plan, Emily. I feel motivated.
Me too. I really believe our listeners can do this.
It takes time, a whole year, but the time will pass anyway.
That is so true, Paul. The time will pass, so use the time to learn.
At the end of 2026, you will be so proud.
You will look back and say, wow, I did it. I speak English now.
That is a great feeling.
It is. So let's just chat and remember the main points of our plan, just to be clear.
Good idea. Like a quick check between friends.
Right. So first, hard work.
Yes, it is not magic. We have to study. We have to be dedicated.
And not just sometimes, but every day.
Yes, daily contact. Listen to podcasts. Change your phone language. Keep English around you all the time.
And we need to be active. I will use my notebook.
And I will use my voice. I will talk out loud. We will participate in our learning.
But we are not robots.
No robots. We need to rest. We need to sleep. We need to enjoy our family and friends.
Because a happy brain learns better.
And finally, we never stop.
Never. Even when it's hard, even when we're busy, we keep going until the end of the year.
We are brave and we are consistent.
That is the plan for 2026. It sounds perfect.
It really does. I think this is going to be a fantastic year for everyone listening.
I think so too. We are in this together. Paul and I will be here every week to help you.
Yes, we are your study partners.
So now we want to hear from you. We are very curious.
Yes, please tell us in the comments, what is your plan for 2026?
Do you have a notebook? Are you going to listen to podcasts? Tell us one thing you will do.
Writing your plan in the comments is a great start. It is your first step.
Yes, make a promise to yourself in the comments.
And please, if this episode helped you feel motivated, give us a like.
And subscribe to the channel. Don't miss our episodes this year. You need them for your daily study.
Share this with a friend who wants to learn too. You can study together.
Thank you so much for listening today. We're cheering for you.
We believe in you. You can do this.
Let's make 2026 the year of English.
Yes, let's do it.
Have a wonderful week, everyone. Study hard, but have fun.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye.